2 certificates today, and that's okay. So let's see what mums and dads have been saying about you and your home learning. First of all, I've got this certificate. This young man looks really happy. Are you happy there at home, Lewis? Making cheese straws now, that sounds like advanced cookery to me. Good job. And really enjoying your homeschooling. Well done, Lewis. Everybody's going to clap you, I think. Yep. Listen carefully. Big clap there. And this one in sixth form is for... Oh, I can hear a few of you shouting that. Good reading in sixth form. Danielle. And these pictures show some of the things that Danielle's been doing. She's a bit like you, Celeste. Do you remember? You got a certificate for painting the fence. There's a lot of that going on at home, isn't there? If you can get the paint. So Danielle, well done. The things that you've been doing look amazing. Great outdoor work. Lovely to see you back in school, because your mum and your dad are key workers, aren't they? So some of the days you have to go to school. So well done for everything that you're doing. It's been lovely to see you. So let's get your clap going, because you've done well. Okay, loads of people clapping there at home. Well done. So Danielle, Lewis, going to put your certificates up. Let's see how my cameraman goes with showing you all those sixth form classes. You shouting, get reading. Oh yeah, some great reading here, Jack, right? Brilliant. Do you know your class? Danielle. In oak. Brilliant. I nearly didn't get that right myself. Well done, Danielle. That goes in oak. Good job. And Lewis, we know where you go, don't we? Are you looking? Are you looking? Yes. Ash. Ash. Going on there. So well done to you 2 sixth formers who've got a special mention for your achievements at home. And if you haven't, don't worry. We know that you're working at home and that you're doing things at home. It doesn't matter that you haven't got a certificate. But keep those pictures coming into your teachers, because it's a great time of the week when we can tell everybody about the good things that are happening at home. School is still closed and it's different, but okay. Nobody knows when school's going to open again. Again, different, but okay. I hope you're all right at home. And of course, if you're not, or you're worried, you need to let your teacher know, or an adult who